In the vastness of space, not all galaxies are created equal. Today we bring you the ultimate cosmic showdown. Which galaxy reigns supreme? Get ready to witness a clash of titans, a blaze of glory, and a dance of the bizarre as we explore the biggest, the brightest, and the weirdest galaxies ever observed. Fasten your seatbelts, space explorers, because we're about to embark on a journey that will redefine your cosmic perspective. Imagine a galaxy so big it could swallow thousands of Milky Ways. This is IC 1101, the true giant of the universe. This cosmic behemoth resides nearly 1 billion light-years away from our pale blue dot. To comprehend its sheer scale, consider this. Our Milky Way, a spiral galaxy home to hundreds of billions of stars, spans a vast 100,000 light-years across. Now multiply that already mind-boggling size by 10, by 50, by 100. That's right, IC 1101 stretches an almost unimaginable 6 million light-years across. But what monstrous forces could have possibly sculpted such a titan in the cosmic tapestry? IC 1101 is an elliptical galaxy, often found at the heart of massive galaxy clusters. These clusters, brimming with galaxies, are cosmic melting pots where gravity reigns supreme. Over billions of years, IC 1101 has pulled in countless smaller galaxies, devouring them whole in a celestial feast. Each galaxy it consumed added to its already enormous bulk, fueling the growth of this cosmic giant. Its heart, a blazing inferno of aging stars, glows with an ethereal golden hue. This glow, visible across billions of light-years, speaks of a long and tumultuous past, a history written in the collisions and mergers of countless galaxies. But IC 1101 isn't just a giant, it's a window into the future of our own galaxy. You see, the Milky Way is on its own collision course with our galactic neighbor Andromeda. Billions of years from now, these two spiral galaxies will engage in a cosmic dance, their spiral arms intertwining, their stars flung out into space, their very structures merging into one. The result? A giant elliptical galaxy, much like IC 1101. So when we gaze upon this titan of space, we are not just looking at a distant object but witnessing a possible future of our own cosmic neighborhood. The vastness of IC 1101 is a stark reminder of the immense scale and power of the universe. It shows us that even amongst the grandest structures we know, there are those that dwarf our wildest imaginations. But the story of the cosmos isn't just about size, it's about the sheer diversity of its inhabitants. So let us journey now from the biggest to the brightest, to a galaxy that shines with the light of 1 billion suns. In the cosmic ocean, where darkness reigns supreme, there exists a beacon so bright it outshines billions of stars combined. This, my friends, is the dazzling galaxy known as H1821 plus 643, a celestial lighthouse visible across the vast expanse of the universe. But what powers such incredible brightness? The answer lies in the monster lurking at its center. H1821 plus 643 is home to a quasar, an astronomical object of unimaginable energy. Imagine this, a supermassive black hole, billions of times heavier than our sun, sitting at the galaxy's core. As matter falls into this gravitational abyss, it spirals inward, forming a swirling disk of superheated gas and dust. This accretion disk, spinning at nearly the speed of light, generates friction so intense that it unleashes a torrent of energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. This radiation, spanning the entire electromagnetic spectrum from radio waves to gamma rays, erupts from the quasar with the force of 1 trillion suns. It's this blinding light that makes H1821 plus 643 the radiant beacon we see today. But the quasar isn't just a source of light, it's a cosmic sculptor, shaping the galaxy around it. Powerful jets of plasma, propelled by the black hole's spin, blast out from the quasar's poles, carving out vast cavities in the surrounding gas. These jets, stretching for millions of light-years, act like cosmic blowtorches, heating the interstellar medium and influencing the formation of stars within the galaxy. The sheer power of H1821 plus 643's quasar is a testament to the extreme physics at play in the universe. It's a reminder that even in the darkest corners of space, unimaginable forces are constantly shaping and reshaping the cosmic landscape. But the universe is full of surprises, and not all galaxies conform to the norm. So, let's shift our gaze from the blinding light of H1821 plus 643 to the strange and wonderful world of cosmic oddballs. Chapter 3. Prepare yourselves, fellow explorers, because we're about to enter the cosmic realm of the truly bizarre. Out here in the vast expanse of the universe, reside galaxies that defy expectations, galaxies that challenge our very understanding of what these cosmic structures can be. Our first stop takes us to a celestial bullseye, a galaxy known as Hoag's object. Imagine a perfect ring of billions of blue stars, young and vibrant, encircling an older, yellower core. But between the ring and the core lies nothing but a vast, empty void. How did this cosmic oddity form? Astronomers are still scratching their heads, but some believe it might have resulted from a smaller galaxy plunging through the heart of a larger one, creating a ripple effect that birthed the outer ring. Next on our tour of the strange and wonderful is the Tadpole Galaxy, a cosmic tadpole swimming through the vast cosmic pond. This peculiar galaxy boasts a long, bright tail stretching out for hundreds of thousands of light years. But this tail isn't some cosmic birth defect, it's a battle scar, a testament to the violence that can unfold when galaxies collide. The tadpole's tail, a river of stars and gas, was ripped away by the gravitational tug of a passing galaxy, leaving a lasting reminder of their close encounter. But perhaps the most intriguing of all are the zombie galaxies. These seemingly dead galaxies, once bustling with star formation, have long since exhausted their supplies of star-forming gas. Yet, in a surprising twist, astronomers have discovered pockets of new star formation within them. It's as if these galaxies have risen from the dead, their hearts flickering back to life. The source of this renewed activity, it remains a mystery, but some speculate that interactions with other galaxies or the accretion of fresh gas from their surroundings might be responsible. These cosmic oddballs, the ring, the tadpole, and the zombie, remind us that the universe is a place of endless wonder, a cosmic playground where the rules of physics are bent and twisted, giving rise to structures that defy our wildest imaginations. Chapter 4. Don't be fooled by their majestic stillness. Galaxies are not peaceful islands in the cosmic sea. They are locked in a constant gravitational ballet, a dance that can last for billions of years, a dance that often ends in breathtaking, violent collisions. And when these giants clash, the universe itself trembles. Imagine two spiral galaxies, their graceful arms swirling with stars, gas, and dust, drawn together by the irresistible force of gravity. As they approach, their gravitational fields begin to distort, stretching and warping their structures. Stars are flung out into intergalactic space like sparks from a cosmic bonfire. Gas clouds, compressed by the immense pressure, ignite in a frenzy of star formation, lighting up the merging galaxies with the brilliance of a trillion suns. One of the most spectacular examples of this cosmic ballet is playing out right now, millions of light years away, in the constellation Corvus. There, two galaxies known as the antennae galaxies are locked in a deadly embrace. Their spiral arms, once elegant and distinct, are now tangled and distorted, resembling the antennae of an insect, hence their name. The collision, which began hundreds of millions of years ago, has triggered a wave of star formation so intense that the antennae galaxies shine with a brilliance that outshines even the brightest stars in our night sky. But this collision, like all galactic mergers, is not just a spectacle of destruction, it's also an act of creation. As the galaxies merge, their supermassive black holes will eventually spiral towards each other, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that will send ripples through the very fabric of space-time. These ripples, known as gravitational waves, will carry the story of this cosmic collision across the universe, a story that will be etched in the fabric of space and time for billions of years to come. The antennae galaxies offer us a glimpse into the future of our own galaxy. As I mentioned earlier, the Milky Way is on a collision course with our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. Billions of years from now, our galaxy too will be caught in a cosmic dance, a dance that will forever alter the cosmic landscape. So when we look up at the night sky, let us remember that the universe is not a static, unchanging place. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving arena where galaxies are born, they collide, they merge, and they die, only to be reborn again in a never-ending cycle of cosmic creation and destruction. And so, our journey through the cosmos comes to an end. We've witnessed the biggest, the brightest, and the weirdest galaxies the universe has to offer, and we've seen the spectacular violence that unfolds when galaxies collide. But more than just a cosmic spectacle, these galaxies offer us a glimpse into the intricate workings of the universe, the fundamental laws of physics that govern the evolution of galaxies, and the very nature of space and time. So, which galaxy stole the show? The Titan, the Beacon, or the Oddball? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget, the universe is waiting for you to explore.